say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I actually waited to start screaming and singing today until I did see the seconds clicking off. I feel like I always cut off my own intros. 2 updates of life that I don't know that anybody's gonna care about. But this room today mysteriously smells like blueberries. I do not know why that would be. I cannot think of a single blueberry scented item that's in this room. However, it is definitely time to deep clean the filming area. Also, it's hair washing day, you guys. Look at it. It's pretty crispy. I don't know if y'all can tell because I do have a lot of product in it today. I've got like the dry shampoo and everything. Anyway, you guys, I don't remember where I was in my ramblings. I had to change the camera battery from one that was dying, but I forgot to like actually charge my camera batteries. So I had another one that's dying that I just loaded in this camera. Anyway, you guys, today we're gonna be doing a soap hurl, and y'all may remember this company. I think I did a haul from them like 1.5 years ago now at this point, but they make a really awesome, amazing horror themed soaps. So the company is called Sick Soaps, and if you're on TikTok, you've got to check them out because a lot of times they make like process videos of like how they're making the soaps. It's like a small handmade soap company. Guys, first of all, I had 2 boxes from them and I opened the smaller box and look at what is in this. You guys, look at this. See what I'm saying? Horror themed. The stuff of nightmares. It is a soap tray, like a soap dish, but it's teeth and gums. You set your soap on the teeth. I am definitely gonna put this in the guest bathroom so that whenever people come over, they can just be like horrified by tooth soap tray. I think it was a chocolate scented one years ago. Like you guys are about to see, I'm gonna show you the first thing on the top because I think that this was similar to Dogman's favorite last time. There was like a chocolate ice cream bar. I think it was a chocolate Mickey bar. They make other things too, not just horror. Guys, I'm doing like not the greatest job of this, but see what I mean? Look, it's kind of cute, kind of scary. But it's like the same theme as like last time where it was like on an ice cream bar. But look at this, you guys. It is one of the melted, like cute ice cream bars that you would get on an ice cream truck. So this says that it's scented like pineapple whip. And I'm pretty sure that means like Dole Whip at Disney. Let me see. Oh, here are my weird scissors. So let me go ahead and cut it open so that we can take a smell together and so you guys can like actually see how cute SpongeBob is. You guys, I love SpongeBob. I really do. Look at this. It's adorable. I mean, still kind of creepy with the melted eyeballs, but yeah, oh my God. It does smell just like a Disney Dole Whip. Speaking of Disney, here this is right on the top, and I'm not sure what else we'll be pulling out of this box today, but this gives you like a good feel for the brand, like Haunted Mansion stuff. I've seen like Michael Myers. Oh my God, I think they even did like a Jaws one where there was like a shark suspended in the soap. So lots of like classic horror. Oh my God, Star Wars and Doctor Who I see on here as well. Oh my God, there's like a baby trapped in soap. So I'm sure you guys can see the theme is creepy yet cute, unsettling, different. Let's see. Ooh, yay. Okay, so this is in the scent Afterlife, and look at how cool this is. I honestly don't know how they get the molds that look like just like the Haunted Mansion, you know what I mean? This looks just like the Haunted Mansion plaque. Oh my God. I'm like trying to be so careful to not break it, but look at how amazing and detailed this is. This looks just like the Haunted Mansion sign, like the welcome sign. Ooh, this smells like so delicious. It has a very nice like floral scent to it. And I do think many of their products, I think, but I could be wrong, I think you can like select like different scents for each soap. So this scent was called Afterlife, but you may be able to get it in like different notes. This to me has that kind of like dried flower scent, and I really do love it. You guys know I love all things Haunted Mansion. Y'all, we have not been to Disney in so long. It makes me sad. All right, you guys, I like literally can't even tell what this is. It's just wrapped. I hope I didn't kill it. Oh, look, a wonderful addition to the soap dish. It's a tooth. Ooh, and the scent is vanilla mint. See, I feel like this is gonna be perfect, you know, put out for the guests. It's the holiday season. What better time than for like a tooth? A horrifying tooth experience? Ooh, I like this as well. I love anything with a mint scent to it. Anything that is a bath, body product, anything that's a candle. Anything that's a perfume, if you just add mint to it. But see, look at that, you know? Invite your family over, invite your friends over, tell them to wash their hands with the tooth. All right, you guys. Oh, is this what I think it is? Ooh, I think maybe this is, I keep dropping them. I think, oh, yes. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this one. Y'all, I have seen this on TikTok so many times. This one doesn't say what scent it is. I'm trying to be careful, but I feel like I'm poking the soap. This is the Jaws soap. I think Six Soaps has a couple of shark themed or Jaws themed soaps, but this is definitely the one I was like most excited for, because look at this, you guys. He's like one of those super squishy jelly finger puppets like embedded in the soap. And I'm pretty sure this is like sea salt on the top and all of this like red. Ooh, this is my favorite scent so far. I don't know what the scent of this is because it didn't have a sticker on the back, but oh my God, look at that. He's so cute. So I'm definitely going to be bathing with this so that we can free the shark. And then you have a cute little shark finger puppet. I think that this is a restock of a soap that we got before from Six Soaps that I loved so much. Yes, is it? Oh, it is. Okay, so this is so cool. It glows in the dark. It's also Haunted Mansion themed. And once again, I don't see a particular scent on this one. So maybe some of the soaps you can get in multiple scents, and some of them it's just kind of like, it is the scent that it is. But I'm sure you guys can already tell what this is. It is a Madame Leota soap. And this is so cool, honestly, because it's like a two-piece. She becomes so much more visible as you use the soap. But this is a two-piece soap, which is so fun and cool as well. So the black soap is like the crystal ball base, and then she sits on top of it. It smells like two slightly different scents, which is really fun as well. I wish I knew what the black soap was because it smells absolutely amazing. So yeah, she becomes like so much more visible as you use the soap, but it's definitely like fun to use Madame Leota first and then the crystal ball base secondly. All right, you guys, what is next? We have some items wrapped in paper. It is, oh my God. Oh, this is like so creepy. Okay, so see, some of them, can I say this every single time? None of these have scents on it. So they all must just be what they are. Oh my God. You guys, this is so detailed. And once again, there's like a 3D object embedded in here, which I just think is so fun. And look at how detailed it is on the back. So I do know that this is the face hugger from Aliens, but I feel like I should just go ahead and confess now. I've never seen the Aliens movie. None of them. I think that there's like 8 of them. I think it's like a, you know, a Michael Myers Halloween kind of thing where there's like aliens versus predator. Aliens. Some more aliens. Let's see what's wrapped in paper. Ooh, paper. Oh my God. Wait, why did they say sick nugget buddies? I think they're gonna look, are they gonna look like molded? These look kind of molded on the thing. And that would be like a fun, creepy Halloween twist. I can't believe that this is actually a Chicken McNugget box. And I also see, oh my God, High C orange drink scented. I cannot wait to open them. Oh my God, it is McNuggets. Look at this. So we have a loose McNugget and a encapsulated McNugget. Oh my God, he looks nefarious. Look at his eyebrows. Oh my God. And then this one, so cute. So this one does specifically say High C orange on the back. And I'm trying to poke it. Hello. Ah! Okay, I'm trying to at least like cut it. Oh, you guys, look at what I've done. I did just poke the whole soap. Why did I do that? Oh my God, this is so cute. You guys, they need to bring back the McNuggets next year. This year, we saw the return of the Boo Buckets, which was amazing. Next year, we need the Chicken McNuggets with faces. Ooh, I really love this scent as well. They both do have the same scent. I like how this one is all like happy and smiling and this one like genuinely looks like, I don't know, he's angry or something. This is still my favorite scent of the day, whatever the Jaws soap is, but this High C orange, very close second. Smells amazing. Look at how amazing this is. I always see these skull bottles and every time I do, I love them. I think there was a cosmetics brand that a couple years ago did highlighters that were in these bottles like this. I'm not sure if it was Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. Also, I'm pretty sure that this is actually, you know what? I don't know. It says Golden Afternoon. I love this font too. Doesn't this remind you of like the VHS, like the stickers where it was like the horror genre? That was probably purposeful. But yeah, I'm not sure if this is a bath oil or a perfume oil. And then, what was that? Last but not least, we have an alien soap. Now, these are the kinds of aliens I'm very familiar with. So this scent is called Alien Bloodline. So cool. I wonder if he glows in the dark. I love these like sculpted, embedded items inside the soaps. Ooh. This smells really good as well. Kind of has a very similar scent to me as the Haunted Mansion plaque. So definitely hands down, my favorite item, my favorite scent, the Jaws soap. It's adorable. Although I do also really love the SpongeBob soap. So it's all cute, you guys. I'm conflicted about which one is my favorite, but definitely my favorite scent is the Jaws soap. Y'all definitely have to check them out. Y'all have to let me know if you've tried any of these items before, if y'all have seen them on TikTok. I feel like they've gone viral like quite a few times. Oh my gosh, I've definitely seen like the Shining soaps with the Jack Nicholson face embedded inside of it, and it is always so fun to see like soap being made. I feel like one of these days I'm gonna have to try and make some soap. I feel like that would be very, very fun. But anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!